girls who love precision, the lip liners are the product for you. You can redefine, you can reshape, you can contour, and you can sculpt your lips. The LIT Matte Lipliner Pencil come in 6 different shades. They vary from nude, pink, coral, and red. So these lid pencils are highly pigmented, they're long-lasting, they're matte, and they're very hydrating because they're made out of vegetable wax. There's so much more you can do with a lip pencil. You can, besides redefining, contouring your lips or sculpting, you can also use it as a lipstick. So if you want to make your lipstick last longer, you fill in your lips first with the lip pencil and then you put the lipstick over it. So what I like doing most with lip pencils, you can recreate the shapes. You can make the lip look fuller, you can make them look sharper, and you can make them look three-dimensional.